Today, I'm working on a Redmi 9C. That came in with a completely dead condition. No response at all when plugged in. And the screen stays totally black. My first step was to check the charging current using a USB doctor. Interestingly, there was zero current draw when connected to the charger. That usually points to an issue in the charging circuit, often starting from the charging port itself. So, I went ahead and replaced the charging connector. After the replacement, the phone showed some signs of life. It displayed the battery logo. At first glance, this looked like progress, but after waiting a few minutes, the phone remained stuck on the battery logo. This condition is commonly referred to as fake charging, where the phone looks like it's charging, but in reality, the battery percentage doesn't increase, and the device doesn't power on. From my experience, especially with Redmi phones, this issue is frequently caused by a blown fuse, specifically the fuse on the battery input line. So, I opened the phone and checked the fuse using a multimeter. And as I suspected, the fuse was blown. No continuity at all. Since I didn't have a proper replacement fuse in stock, I decided to go for a temporary jumper solution, bridging both ends of the fuse to restore the circuit. After doing the jumper and plugging it back in, it worked. The battery percentage started increasing, which means the charging system was working normally again. But let me emphasize something important here. Jumping a fuse is only a temporary solution. The fuse is there for protection. If something goes wrong, like a short circuit or power surge, the fuse will blow to protect the other components. If we just bypass it, we risk damaging even more critical parts in the future. So, for fellow technicians or general users watching this, if your phone is stuck on the battery logo or won't charge properly, don't immediately blame the battery or the charger. Take time to check the charging connector, measure current with a USB doctor, and inspect the fuse line. Understanding the basic electrical flow inside a phone can save you time, money, and unnecessary frustration. A good repair is not just about fixing the problem, it's about understanding it, solving it safely, and educating others in the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like comment, share, and subscribe so I can keep sharing more repair insights and educational content. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.
Peugeot HP, kami hadir di sini, bukan sekadar servis tapi peduli hati. Peugeot HP, tempat harapan dibangun saat rasa kecewa tak tahu harus kemana turun. Peugeot HP, bukan hanya soal teknis, tapi mendengar, memahami dan bertindak manis. Kami tahu HP itu bukan sekadar alat, tapi bagian hidup yang sangat melekat. Peugeot HP, penjaga harapan, setiap rusak kami tanggung jawaban. Peugeot HP lebih dari perbaikan.